Hi everyone, it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. Hope everyone is doing well. I was invited by my sweet crafty friend Susan to attend a ice cream social. That is our crafty theme, and it is actually occurring today. I'm wanting to do a quick video before I head out. So we're meeting at a local Panera in Southern California, and there's a group of about 9 of us that will be, I think they have a room sectioned off at the Panera at this location. I'm not sure if every Panera is like that, but it's a really neat way to get a group of ladies together and spend some crafty time together. So the theme for this crafty meetup is ice cream social, and I was really excited to kind of go on Amazon and to kind of treasure hunt through different stores, local stores like the 99-cent store and the Dollar Tree, and just to kind of determine if there's additional items that I can pick up. One of the requirements that we have is to create a make and take. And so before I show you my make and take, I wanted to show you a couple of items that I picked up to use for the project share. So these little cabochon or resin pieces I picked up on Amazon, and they were about $13 for a set of 50, and they're so super duper cute. There's I believe 5 designs. There's this little popsicle, there's a little kitty cat, there's a frog, there's a penguin cone, and let me see, I think there's a little teddy bear, this little teddy bear here. So 5 different designs, and it comes in a set of 50, and I placed them on top of the little Scrap Diva bows. So I cut out about 8 of them. Since there's 9 ladies, we create 8 make and takes. So I also used the Scrap Diva bow, the little pretty bow. I'm not quite sure I remember, but I will put in the description box this type of bow. This she created maybe a couple of years ago, so I believe it's in her store right now, but I'll put it in the description box, and you can go to our website to check it out. I also found these ice cream bowls with spoons. Look how darling these are, and they have 4 colors in pink, purple, green, and blue. They are so cute, and this was a little bit over $13, almost $14, I think $13.89 on Amazon. And I usually like to give a little goodie bag whenever I go to these meetups, so I decided that when I found these on Amazon, I was gonna place some sweet treats in there, which I have, and I will show you. I also used shred from the Dollar Tree. This is colorful shred. And at the 99-cent store, I purchased these plastic ice cream decor, these little Easter egg ice cream cones, and they are so cute. They were $1.99 for 8 pieces, and they come in these cute pastel colors. I apologize if you hear some it's raining here in Southern California on this Saturday morning, so I'm sorry if it's a little loud, if it pulls up in the microphone. And then I used some clearance finds that I've had in my stash for years, really. Michael's I like to peruse the clearance section, and they had the celebrated bags. I tried putting the bowls in this particular bag that says yum and it has eyelashes, but it didn't show up very well, and I'll kind of show you the bottom of the bag. So I ended up using these instead. It has little sprinkles on the bottom and on the top, and these are considered treat bags under the bakeware section and at the celebrated brand. So the typical size that you use for goodie bags, and then for my little tags, I primarily use the nom nom noms and the sprinkles solve everything. These two tags. So let me place these to the side and show you my goodie bag. So these are the little ice cream bowls, and sorry, I packaged everything up and I didn't have a chance to do one together on camera, but I put little Cadbury, individual size Cadbury chocolate caramellos in here, as well as a Ghirardelli chocolate. And these are gluten-free Madeleines I picked up at Trader Joe's, and there was only 6 in a box, and I only picked up 1 box, so 2 of the goodie bags have iced tea packets in there. And then I also have a Kind bar, a little mini Kind bar. And I went to Baskin Robbins, and I'm gifting everyone a $5 gift card for ice cream so that they can go and enjoy it at their leisure. And so I thought it was just apropos to include an Baskin Robbins ice cream. It is one of my favorite ice cream stores, ice cream places, and chocolate mint is my favorite. So I also took some curling ribbon. I have had these colors forever, over 20 years probably, and I took these 3 colors and I just curled each one so it kind of dangles, and it's so cute. It's just so cute. Here's another one, the blue one, and so I just mixed and matched different ice cream cones, and I just placed the little spoon in the back. It just came out so cute. I'm really happy with how this came out. And this one is the one with the Crystal Light iced tea. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So how I package my make and take. So I will share with you. So this is a Cricut file that I found on Cricut Access. And I will link it in the description box below if you'd like to go search it. I just basically have a plan that I pay for monthly, a subscription. And so it's just fun to kind of search and see what others are creating. So there's a sweet lady that there's always a community of people that have created files, and they've shared it with us in the Cricut Access community. So this is such a sweet, sweet design. So the make and take that we're all creating for each other are going to be different, and you know, primarily taking about 20 minutes to create for each one of us. And we're just gonna have lunch or breakfast and chat and craft and catch up with life. But basically there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things to put together, really. So there's the ice cream box bottom, and then the top, and then the ice cream cone itself. I was going to emboss the bottom part with like a Swiss dot, but I wasn't quite sure if it would come out. So I was preparing my kits at the end of the day, and I forgot to do that. But that is something that that I could do in the future, just to add a little bit more detail to my project. And I primarily used, all these papers come from Michael, the Hot Buy brand, and this one is a harder, it's a 110-pound cardstock. It's like a cream colored cardstock from Michael's as well. But these are the Hot Buy branded little 12 by 12 paper stacks. It's a little textured. So this is the Scrap Diva die, and this is the little cabochon that they can add on top. I didn't do so, but there's also stickles that I was thinking of adding here, just to add a little bit more detail. But this is a super, super cute little make and take. These bags I picked up at Daiso, and there's some coffee and donuts, and also some ice cream cones in the background. Oh, here, you can take a better look at it. So one of the criteria is ice cream social, so I had to use this bag. It's been in my stash forever, and I picked this up at Daiso years ago. I'm not sure if they have it, continue to have it in stock, but it's always fun to go to Daiso to do some treasure hunting, right? So I cut out all the pieces on Cricut, and then die cut the bow and added the cabochon in here. And I'm going to take the cabochons to the event, so that if they wanted a different one, they can choose a different one. And then on Canva, I made this logo. It says Ice Cream Social, Make and Take, prepared by Civ, a crafty poodle mom, so they know who created it for them. So I have all 8 of them packaged up here for us to enjoy. So that is my crafty share for today. I will come back later on another video so I can share with you all of my make and takes that I created for the event. So have a happy crafty weekend, everyone. See you next time. Bye.